going through hundreds of resumes just to shortlist a few candidates. This is where most hiring time is wasted. And even after all that effort, there is still a chance that you missed out the best candidate. So to solve this problem, I have created an AI system using Pabbly Chatflow that collects candidate details and automatically shortlists the right applicants. I will show you how this system works and then we will build it step by step inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. This AI agent gets triggered as soon as any customer sends the keyword apply inside my WhatsApp account. So I will show it to you. I will open my WhatsApp account and in this chat, I will send this keyword apply. After that, you will see my WhatsApp chatbot, my WhatsApp AI assistant will get triggered instantly and it will send me a welcome message on my screen. I have received this welcome message. Hello, I am Hire Genie, the AI hiring assistant for candidate screening and shortlisting. I'll quickly collect a few details to evaluate your profile and match you with relevant roles: software development, digital marketing, sales, operations or admin, customer support. The step one is it is asking me for my full name. So I will add that. After my name, this AI assistant is asking for my primary skill. So as I'm a software developer, so I will just copy this text from here and I will paste it inside the chat. And next it is asking me for my experience level. So I will send this 2 to 5 years. Next, I have to add my skill list. So in here, I will add these following skills. For this expected salary, in here, I will type my expected salary and then I will send it. Then for this preferred location, here I will type down this hybrid and I will send it. For this question, when can you start? In here, I will type down this 15 days. I have received this message. Based on our evaluation logic, your profile looks like a high qualified match. Status: shortlisted candidate. Next step, I am sharing your details with our recruiter team and they'll contact you soon. Here, these are the details that I have shared with this particular WhatsApp AI assistant. So you just saw how easy it was for me to just share my details with this AI assistant to get shortlisted for this particular job. Now think of this AI assistant as a businessman's perspective. If you have this AI assistant working for you 24/7, then your HR team is not required to ask the details of every candidate manually. You just have to create this AI assistant with Pabbly Chatflow and turn it on. This AI assistant will work on behalf of your HR team 24/7. So I have shown you the demo of this AI assistant. Now I will help you create this exact same AI assistant inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. For that, just open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. After that, you will get directed on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In here, on the top right corner, we have got these two different options: sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, click on this sign up free button and create your free account, where you will get 100 free credits every month that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user. With the help of these credits, you can easily create some WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistants inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, that too for free. But after your credits are expired, you can anytime get more credits by upgrading to the premium version of Pabbly, where you just have to pay once to get lifetime subscription of Pabbly. And if you will use this coupon code JAIYT visible on your screen, you can also avail an exciting discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. But if you are already a Pabbly member, click on the sign in button and you will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications with the help of which you can completely automate your business. Today we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. That's why just click on this Access Now button to access the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now to use Pabbly Chatflow, at first you have to add your WhatsApp number in here. To do that, click on this button, select any of these following methods and you can easily add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. After that, this column will be accessible to you. In here, we have these following multiple features. If you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you face any trouble while adding your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then you can take help from the videos that I have added in the description box. After adding your WhatsApp number, to start creating your AI assistant, from this column itself, just click on this AI assistants. This is the page where all your AI assistant will get stored, and this is the AI assistant that I've shown you in the beginning of this video. So first of all, I will deactivate this AI assistant from here, as I'm going to create this exact same AI assistant with you guys. My AI assistant is deactivated. Now to create a new one, we have to press this add AI assistant button. Inside this box, we have to give a meaningful name to our assistant. So I will name it as this AI hiring assistant, then press this add AI assistant button. Inside the new page, you can start creating your AI assistant by working on these 4 simple steps: AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and at last styling. So let us start working with this AI instruction step. In here, at first we have to select our instruction type. So for this, I will select this AI agent because I want to create an AI agent for myself. But if you want, you can select any other instruction type from this list. Then for this instructions, inside this box, the role and constraints of our AI agent are added. Here the text is written: provide instructions for how the AI assistant should respond to users. Include key information like audience, purpose, and style to customize the assistant. If you want, you can add instruction inside this box on your own. These instructions will help your AI assistant to help reply the queries of your customers. After adding this, you have to work on this AI configuration. First, for this temperature, you can see 0.5 is set automatically. This temperature sets how creative the AI's answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. That's why to maintain a balance between focus and creativity, 0.5 is set automatically. If you want to increase or decrease this, you have to click on these buttons given on the right side to do that. Next, for the select AI to use, select this OpenAI. Then for this model, I will select this GPT 5.4 as my model. But if you want, you can select any other model from this list. After this, we have to add this API key. So this API key is like a password of our OpenAI account. To get this, you have to purchase a paid subscription of OpenAI at first, then click on this hyperlink given here. You will get directed on this OpenAI platform. In here on the right side, this create new secret key button will be visible to you. So click on this button, give a name to your key and press this create secret key button. Your secret key will get generated. You just have to copy that key from here and paste it inside the box. Press this connect button. Your connection will get created successfully. In here, I will add my own API key, then I will create my connection. My OpenAI key is saved successfully. Now I will move toward this AI assistant settings. For this, I have got these 5 different settings. If I want to use any one of them, I just have to turn these buttons on to use them. If you want to use this header, turn on this button. Then inside this box, you can enter your header. So let me add this hello. After adding this header will be visible to all of my customer with every reply of my AI assistant. But if you do not want to use this, you can also turn this button off like this. The same goes for this footer message. The third one is a stop keyword. I will show you how to use this as this is important one. To use this, turn this button on. Inside this box, add any text like I have added this stop, and after adding this text, make sure to click on this enter button, otherwise this keyword will not work. Here we have added our stop keywords. Now this will work as whenever your customer will send this keyword stop inside their chat, our WhatsApp AI assistant will stop working for them. And then if you want, you can also take over that chat manually. Then we have this retry attempt. If you want to use this, inside this box, you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. In here, you can enter one number in valid range of 1 to 10. For this fallback message, here this message is added which will get sent to your customer when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. If you want, you can also change this fallback message on your own. With this, we have completed the first step of our creation. Now we will move toward this knowledge source. This is our second step. In here, we have to upload a file. Here the text is written: connect knowledge unique to your business. Include FAQs, company background, and more that your chatbot can utilize when answering questions. So basically, in here, we have to upload a file with every minute detail about our business. This file will help our AI assistant to help solve queries of our customer. In short, this knowledge base will work as a brain of our AI assistant. I have already created this knowledge base inside my Google Docs account, and I have provided every single detail about my business along with these images. Now I have to download this from here. So for that, I will go on the file, click on this download and select this .pdf as the format in which I want my file. So I will download it. Now I will go back inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. In here you can see there some conditions are written. So size must be less than 90 MB. There are 2 accepted formats: TXT or PDF. There is one more condition for this PDF: no page limit for text PDFs, but if the PDF has images, it is limited to 10 pages. On the right side, you can see my knowledge base is downloaded. So I just have to drag this from here and drop it. Here my file could not be uploaded, so I will just drag it again to upload it again. So I have dragged it and you can see it is uploading. My knowledge base is uploaded successfully. Now I will work on this third step, assistant interface. Here, this box is visible to you from the beginning of this video. If you want to to change anything inside this box, you just have to add those details inside these fields. First of all, for this your brand name, this is display heading name. If you want to change this, you have to add the data inside this box. So let me change this. In here, I will type down this higher Genie. You can see here the heading is changed successfully. If you want to change this subheading, you have to add the text inside this second box. Then for this initial message, one message is already added. If you want to add one more message, type down the message inside this box, press this enter button. Your message will get added inside this box. You can add only 2 initial message. Then for this powered by Pabbly, which is visible here, if you want to enable or disable it, you can select it from this drop down. This privacy policy, which is actually a hyperlink, if you want to create this, type the text inside this box and paste link inside this footer link box. Your hyperlink will get created successfully. At last, for this user first message, if you want, you can also change this message on your own. Now let us move towards our last step, styling. In here, we can style our assistant. Like I can change the theme into light or dark. I can change the shape of my assistant into circle, square or rounded square. If I want, I can also change the background color, profile picture from here. But if you do not want to change this, just turn on this AI agent on from here. Click on this save button to save your AI assistant. My AI assistant is saved. Now if you want to use this AI assistant from your website, click on this embed button, copy the script from here and paste it inside your website. Then this WhatsApp AI assistant will also work from your website. I have successfully completed all 4 steps. This means that my AI assistant is all ready. Now we just have to test if this WhatsApp AI assistant is working properly or not. So to test this, earlier we used to assign this AI assistant inside one of our chats, but this time we will not do that. We will create a flow with the help of which this AI assistant will only get assigned to those customers who will send the keyword that we will add inside our flow. Now to create a flow, we have to go inside this flow and select this flows from here. You will get directed inside this flow builder page. In here, click on this add flow button to start creating your flow. You will see that this trigger button will be visible to you. But before working on this, let us give a meaningful name to our flow. So from here, I will name my flow as this higher Genie. Now we have to work on our trigger step. So for my trigger step, as I want my chatbot to get triggered as soon as any customer will send the keyword that we will add inside this enter keyword box. That's why for our trigger event, we have to select this keyword or rejects match. Then inside this box, we have to add some keywords. Inside this box to add keyword, just type down the keyword that you want to add and press this enter button to successfully add this. We have added this keyword. Now with this rejects is also visible to us. This rejects stands for regular expression, with the help of which we can extract some keyword from a paragraph. But as I have already added this keyword, this means that I can skip this rejects for now. My trigger is all set. Now we have to work on our action step. So for this, I want that as soon as any customer sends this keyword apply inside my chat, I want to assign them this AI assistant. To assign that, from this action features, we just have to drag this assign AI assistant and drop it in here. Connect both of these following circles. Then for this select AI assistant, we have to select the assistant that we have created. So I will select this AI hiring assistant. Then for this start with, we have 4 different options, but I will select this use client message because I want my AI assistant to get triggered with the help of my client's message. We have successfully added our trigger and action step. From now onwards, whenever any customer will send this keyword apply inside my chat, this WhatsApp AI assistant will automatically get assigned to them. Now we have to save this flow, otherwise this will not work properly. After saving this, we will test our WhatsApp chatbot from our WhatsApp account. My flow is updated successfully, so now I will open my WhatsApp account and in here I will send this keyword apply. You will see instantly my WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered and it will assign the AI assistant inside my chat. I have successfully received this welcome message from my AI assistant. This means that the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created and the AI assistant that I have created inside my Pabbly Chatflow account are working all fine. With this, I have successfully demonstrated how you can create this AI hiring assistant inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. That's it for this video. Just a quick reminder at end that if you are thinking to go premium, don't forget to use this coupon code JAIYT, also available in the description box of this video, to get an exciting discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. That's it for now. See you in the next one. Not just this, you can create many more type of WhatsApp chatbots, AI agents, or schedule broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you are thinking to buy your subscription, you can check out the prices from this website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you like the content that I have created, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly. So what are you waiting? Just go and create your first chatbot right now.